Are you struggling to grow your small YouTube channel and no matter what you do, you just can't seem to get more views? If so, then don't worry because I've also been there. And so in today's video, I want to share with you 3 powerful ways that you can use to blow up your small YouTube channel so that you can start getting more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours. The best part is that these strategies tend to work really fast. So if you implement them, you're going to see results quickly. Okay, so the first way that you can boost your small channel views is to post breakout videos. Now, put simply, breakout videos are the hot and trending topics in your niche. They are the videos that are consistently performing well on other creators' channels in your space. And so you're going to go ahead and piggyback off of these videos. Now, when I say piggyback, I essentially mean that you are going to create similar videos on your own channel that also has the potential to go viral, to boost your views, and to get you a lot of subscribers. Now, when I say piggyback, please do not mistake this for copying. I never want you to copy another creator's video. Instead, I want you to use the topic, the title, the thumbnail as inspiration for your own video. And then from there, you can create a similar video that incorporates your unique perspective, your own tips, your own expertise. Now, how you're going to do this is you can simply head over to YouTube and you can go and search in the search bar at the top for your specific niche. From there, I want you to scroll through the different videos that pop up, and I want you to look for videos that keep popping up again and again and again. And you're going to look and see if these videos are actually getting a lot of views. Because if you see a video that is consistently getting high views for other channels and it keeps popping up, then that is a good sign that that video is currently trending. And so you want to hop on that trend and piggyback off of that topic as soon as possible. Now, once you find these videos, I want you to think to yourself, can I create a similar video to this one without copying the creator, right? Because you need to make sure that you actually have something unique to say about that topic and your unique experience to share. Now, I actually used this exact strategy to help grow my channel in the beginning. And as a result of posting these breakout videos, my channel got over 50,000 views in just 90 days, which is so much more than it was getting previously. And the best part is this strategy didn't only work for me, but my clients as well. In fact, one of my clients, when she started to post only hot topics, she was able to grow her channel to millions of views. Now moving on to the second way you can boost your views, and that is to target a sub niche. This step is all about getting hyper specific. You'll want to target a sub-niche that can help you stand out above the competition. And so allow me to explain. If you look at my YouTube channel, it is all about helping people to grow a profitable YouTube business. Now, that topic in itself is pretty niche, right? Because I help people to do a very specific thing, which is to grow a business using YouTube. But it isn't a sub-niche necessarily. And so what I discovered later on, that since I am South African, I am able to teach fellow South Africans to build YouTube businesses because a lot of other South Africans are interested in starting online businesses. And so I could specifically target them in some of my videos to stand out more above the general YouTube creators who teach about growing YouTube businesses. And so once I started to target South Africans specifically in some of my videos, those videos started to gain thousands of views. And so this can really work for you if you have a very specific niche to target. So this doesn't necessarily have to be by location like I did for South Africa. It can also be a very specific type of person. So for example, you may want to help pregnant women to lose weight, right? That's a specific person. Or maybe you want to help with a very specific problem. Like for example, you can post about how to install DIY solar panels. Now, why do you want to sub-niche even further? Because by doing this, you are becoming part of a very specific community, right? So if people feel like they can connect with you in some type of way, then they are more likely to follow you and to subscribe to your channel, to watch your videos, and to, buy products and things from you eventually. Now, by the way, subniching can also help you to turn your channel from being a hobby into an actual business, because now you're going to be able to help a very specific person solve a very specific problem. And so you can start promoting products to them. You can start doing affiliate marketing to them. You can do all sorts of things to actually make money from your channel. And so if you're interested in building your own YouTube business, I do have a free YouTube business blueprint that you can download in the description below. And it literally shows you the 5 key steps that you need to take to turn your channel from a hobby into an actual business where you can make a monthly additional income. The steps inside this guide has literally helped me make thousands of dollars and my clients as well. Okay, moving on to the third way that you can get more views on your small channel, and that is to post at least 2 long-form videos per week. Now, this tip may seem very simple, but it is super powerful. I have experimented a lot on my own channel and on my clients' channels, and 2 videos per week seems to be the sweet spot. I'm not exactly sure why this happens, but when you post 2 long-form videos per week, it is as if YouTube starts to recommend more of your videos to more people. And so you start to really grow, you start to gain more subscribers, more watch hours, and more views in general. Now, I know that posting 2 long-form videos per week may seem super overwhelming, and you are right. If you are just starting your channel, I do recommend that you only post 1 video for the time being, just until you get comfortable with creating and posting videos, because it can be overwhelming. But once you are more comfortable with posting videos and you have your entire process figured out, then I do recommend that you start posting at least 2 long-form videos per week. And you can easily achieve this by batch creating your videos, so creating 2 or more videos at one time. And you can even set aside a specific day throughout the week to do this. Now, you can get even more views when you post 2 videos per week if you post hot topics, as I mentioned in the first tip, okay? So make sure that the 2 videos that you're posting is highly trending and popular, because that way you're gonna boost your views even more. All right, now, before you go, I want to give you a bonus tip, and I know you are thinking of this question in your head, and that is, okay, Shante, but shouldn't I post shorts as well? And my answer to that is, do not waste your energy on shorts, especially not in the beginning. Now, I know that shorts are very trendy, and you may think that they are easier to create than your long form videos. And sure, they can be easier because they're shorter, but the return on investment from your shorts is so much lower. Because the thing is, if you create videos that are between 5 minutes and 25 minutes long, this means that you are building trust with the people who are watching those long videos, right? And on top of that, you're getting a lot more watch time in the process. Whereas if you focus more on posting shorts, you're only getting people to watch about 60 seconds of your shorts videos. Okay, I know now you can post shorts up to 3 minutes if I'm not mistaken, but still, the long form videos can build so much more trust from your audience. And the problem is, if you focus on posting shorts all the time, you are going to start attracting a shorts-based audience who has shorter attention spans, and they may not be interested in actually buying from you at a later stage. And so it can be very dangerous to post shorts, because then you can essentially damage your channel beyond repair, because you're only going to be attracting people who are interested in shorts. And so I know this may seem a bit confusing, and so that's why I created a separate video that explains why you need to be super careful when you're posting shorts, and I'm going to link it over here so you can watch it next. Now, I also do want to mention, if you have an idea of a sub niche that you want to post about on your channel, but you're not quite sure if it'll work, go ahead and drop your sub niche in the comments below. Maybe I can help you brainstorm a bit. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.